people I know. We hide in the car wash. Didn't they do that on the Rugrats? Didn't they leave the window open when they went to the car wash?
Do what now?
Put it in neutral and put off the brake.
Okay, so neutral. Here we go.
Oh, now we're supposed to see it.
I'm guessing that was soap.
No, that wasn't Kangaroo Jack that went to the car.
I think it was Country Bears or something.
That's it. It was Country Bears.
I wouldn't be surprised.
That's
if it
right.
Was.
That was Country Bears 2, I think. They were looking.
It was either 1 or 2.
They were escaping the police, and they were like, "We're hiding in the car wash." But it involved black people. I know that.
It's been a while.
Yeah, a couple of weeks ago I had it done. It was nice. Oh, Mom's leaking. Well, your window up. But they had it open.
I'm sorry,
Smell that chemicals.
so something. What's up with it?
You can always open that and get
I
it.
think I might have got some of your CD players. Oh wait, never mind. That's good, it's closed. New one, right?
No, it's not. It's not a lot.
Oh, you're not.
Why did I get it?
We're not in Kansas anymore.
Isn't that what they said on Alice in Wonderland?
Wizard of Oz, actually.
And isn't that also what they said in Avatar?
No. Wait, yes. At the beginning.
I think they just said that like. Sorry, Mom.
It's alright. Okay, now how much water's over there?
Pretty good amount.
Well,
it's not like puddled or anything.
Well, grabbing the, open up the thing.
Alright, Mom, I need to let.